This is a guide on how to set up your Eufy Smart Lock E330, the physical installation, everything from unboxing, what parts you need, as well as calibrating the lock and accessing the app for the first time. Start off with unboxing and getting everything out of the box, including the lock, keypad, screws, battery. Note that there is no guide, but you can print one off of the Eufy website. Next, take the battery and ensure that you charge it to full. You'll find the USB-C located on the face of the battery. Before you install, clear old holes and seal raw wood. It keeps water out and prevents swelling. If you don't have any pre-cut holes, you'll need to make some yourself. And if you need, rather phone an expert like a carpenter to come out and drill these for you. Once the deadbolt and plate are installed, you'll need to install the frontal with the cables. Make sure that the cables go through neatly so that you don't pinch any wires. Make sure that it's pushed through and flush. Next, attach the interior mounting plate. Finger tight first, then lock it in gently. Next, take the interior header and connect the two cables. Then insert it, winding the cable neatly, also preventing pinches. Screw in and make sure that it's firm and secure. Next, insert the battery and you will start to hear it power on. Then install the Eufy security app, select the E330 and it will walk you through calibration, fingerprint setup and Wi-Fi pairing. If you are having issue with calibration, you'll have to remove the headers and rotate the lock so that you can calibrate properly. Some of the common issues you'll find is that it is only 2.4G wireless and cannot be set up on storm doors. It is imperative to follow every single step along the way to ensure successful setup. Once the lock is installed, you can enjoy all the benefits it has, such as the ability to unlock in 5 different ways, getting live notifications to your phone as to when and by who the door has been accessed, and smart motion sensors and alerts. It's a camera, doorbell, and lock all in one. And that's it. Once you've set up physically and gone through the app, you will have full control on your Eufy Smart Lock E330.